nanalo tayo. And yan! May voucher ka. Congratulations. Okay. Ito, hindi. Dapat dalawa. Oo, dalawa. Okay. Diba? Ayan. Go.
And Sue from Skechers. And I'd like to thank you for waiting.
We will enjoy being here with you and showing you what we have, and we hope to see you all playing basketball in Skechers very soon in the Philippines.
Party into the AM. I don't understand. Make me throw my hands in the air.
All right, Terrence Mann is in the building, and of course, from the New York Knicks, Julius Randle! Palakpakan naman natin! All right, Terrence Mann and Julius Randle. Julius, you have anything to say to all your fans?
Wow, this is incredible. So happy to be here. You guys are unbelievable, and I mean, who knew basketball would bring us here and bring us together like here? So, I mean, thank you guys for having us, and I'm just amazing. It's just amazing. I'm just happy to be here.
Julius, I was told that you learned a couple of Tagalog words from your stay.
Mabuhay.
Gusto ko sana turuan ng ibang Tagalog words, kaya lang, huwag na. Hey! Can you do that? Hey! Alright, here we go, Terrence Mann. Terrence, any message?
What's up, everybody? I'm glad to be here. It's amazing. It's big time basketball culture. You know, it means everything to me to be able to represent Skechers out here. So I'm excited for everybody.
Terrence Mann and Julius Randle, pakpakan naman natin. Merchandising, Mr. Jeremy Saul, Managing Director for Global and Strategic Licensing. And of course, Ms. Camille Coronel, Skechers Holdings, Marketing Manager. We are about ready to unveil our newest tenement court. Palakpakan naman natin. Si Mr. Peter with our VIPs, ang ating NBA ambassadors, Skechers VIPs. There you go, please join us. Lahat ng nagtrabaho to make all this possible. Congratulations again, the Skechers. Terrence Mann from the LA Clippers, palakpakan naman natin. Julius Randle from the New York Knicks. Walang warm-up yan. One more for both our NBA players. Walang warm-up, mga kapatid. Warm-up muna. Yun! There is Terrence Mann and Julius Randle. Palakpakan natin again. Congratulations to Skechers. And now we have brands na may iwan nila dito sa ating tenement court, brought to you by Skechers. Alright. Alright, we want our history. Di ba tayo tayo sa ating tenement court. Para lagi nung nakikita kung gaano kalaki ang mga kamay ng ating NBA players. Alright, Julius Randle leaving a mark here sa ating tenement court. Palakpakan naman natin ang dalawang NBA ambassadors natin. Randle and Terrence Mann. Napasana all ang lahat. Sana all. Napasana all kayo dyan, ha? Na all.
There you go. I love it. Okay.
Alright.
Surprise po ito. 100 pairs, libreng sapatos sa mga makakakuha ng number, di ba? Raffle tayo. Papamigay sa 100 lucky people from Tenement. Mabuhay ang Tenement, mabuhay ang Skechers!
Spelling ng Skechers. Sige, go! Ako po! Napakamot! Kailangan naman ako dito. Ayan!